What up, people? My bad. I ain't know I had no audio. It's like every time I be trying to make these videos, my computer start acting up. It's like a mid-video just shut off. And now it's no sound. But hopefully this goes through this time. And as I can see, I did give out this option in my last video that it's going to come up here and hit this 100 EMA just because of the event. You know what I'm saying? Because I already hit it once, twice, and the third time will be confirmation of going down. Because as I was saying, once we break through this line, like I said, look, 1, 2, this is a third drop. That's confirmation that we're just going to keep going down. They just want to get rejected again right here by the 100 EMA because basically we're not coming back up here no more. At this point in time, it's over because we already dropped this main level that I've been gave y'all a long time ago. Once we drop below this, which it did, it's over. And everybody better jump ship right now because at any point in time, they can crash these markets. Like, when I say crash, I'm talking about the next real support level is all the way down at 19,000. Because they have to come through and recover all these candles right here. Because they don't want nobody sitting there chilling with no money. You got to think about it. If you're using a position, you can do that. Why would you just leave that sitting there? They're going to have to crash through that real hard. And then look to the left. There's more candles. Like, they could easily come all the way down to $15,000. Like, I'm being so serious. Like y'all gotta be ready for this because we got 2 more weeks for the next month. Within the next 2 weeks, they're gonna do this. It's gonna be down here. Be about to begin next month, but they about to definitely give everybody the business because everything about to start happening. Cause y'all can clearly see it. But anyways, you already see on the daily, boom, hit this. We came up, hit the 200 MA, boom. Now we came down here, hit the 50 MA, boom. Coming right now, hitting 20. It could still come up here and hit this 50 again, for a third time if it wants to. But at the end of the day, we are not going back up at all. Like it's over because look at this on the daily. This is the 100 EMA. There's no more EMAs under this, and you can see clear. All these candlesticks. They're not gonna just let that sit there and let that slide. They're not. So like I say, they could stay in this zone if they want to. You know what I'm saying? But once we drop below this 100 EMA, it's over because you see these type drops like that, they're letting it slowly go. You see how they do that? Right here, fast, boom. They slowly doing it just so they can recover all these candlesticks at one time. Because the people still chilling with this money right here. I'm trying to tell y'all, they can see everything. Hit y'all on the weekly. Boom. On the weekly, y'all see we came out. And we're literally right here on the 100 EMA on the weekly. Like I told y'all plenty of times before, they let this 20 EMA come up just so they can cross it and shoot that thing straight back down. Because this is the exact same move they did before. You see this W right here, right? 1, 2. They didn't go to level 3. Look at this. A W. 1, 2. This is the exact same move from the last market crash. And it came all the way down here like 36 and it recovered all of this right here. That's what happened. You see? The exact same thing. It would look much larger back then because it didn't go as high as it is now. But basically we're about to come all the way back down here to recover these candlesticks from that last drop. And that's all the way at $5,000. So look at that. You can see that it took 1, 2, 3 weeks. That means it took 1 month to recover everything it just did. So what that means for next month, I don't know. But I'm trying to tell you, it could start this week. Well, not this week, since it's about to be over with. But, definitely next week. Next 2 weeks, once we drop below here, it's over. Just like you see right here. And not to mention, we never even went below the 100 EMA ever. On the weekly chart, you gotta keep that in mind. This is just us going below the 50 EMA. Once you see that after the 50 EMA, you see a large candlestick, boom, all the way down to next EMA. There's no EMAs at all. That's why I'm trying to get y'all to understand. They usually go by market structure, and the market structure says they can crash all the way down here at any point in time because there's nothing really holding it up besides the main support level at around $10,000 to $12,000. This is the real support level right here. If anything, before the 5,000 drop. But at the end of the day, this is right here. This is the same move that's out to happen right here. So you see this quick recovery. Did the exact same thing. Look. So I got to do it again. And I'm telling y'all this whole time, but y'all about to see it play out. Once we get below the 200 EMA on a weekly, it is over. Let's look at this monthly. Boom. Look at that. Came up. It's over. It's basically trying to hold above this 50 EMA. But I mean, once it's below the 50 EMA, once again, it's free game. On here, it shows around 16,000. Like I said, that's what I believe the next drop gonna be. That's our next support level, but it's not gonna stop dropping though. And like I always say, they could keep dropping it even further. They don't have to stop there. But I say this because you see that stopping pressure right here. That's how I know it's support. But at the same time, hit down there twice already. You feel me? Like they set up the whole thing to crash all the way down on the smaller time frames. But yeah, overall though, you see the M, you see the W. This is level 1, and this is supposed to be a retracement basically before it starts level 2. But at the end of the day, we got to come down here. But within the same month, to keep this pattern valid, it literally has to come back above $10,000. Within the same month, it goes down to 5,000. So that's gonna be the low is be around 5,000. But like I say, it's gonna be a quick recovery. It could be in the same day for all I know. You know what I'm saying? The same day, same week, but it's going down there. But it has to end the month off back above 10,000. So that means if anybody's still here when that happens, you might as well go ahead and drop all your change in there around 10,000, because anything between 10 to 5,000, nobody gonna be able to access anything. They're gonna wipe everything out. I'm just telling y'all that now, and I know I've seen people say, what's going to happen, you know what I'm saying, with the power growl and all this and this and that. Yeah, that's their plan. They're trying to reset. That's the whole point of reset. They can't have you sitting with millions of their coins. No, they're going to take them coins back. Everything's the IOU. Cryptocurrency, to be honest, is, might be even worse than money, because it's online, and they control it all. I'm just throwing it out there, but, I mean, like I said, I could read the charts, so it don't really matter to me if I was to play around with the charts, because I know not to actually hold in here, because I've been scared a while ago, you know what I'm saying? Especially once I hit this uptrend, I already know that they really about to do the dirty, about to be real bad. And VC, this uptrend too, you see this? It's almost like a perfect line. So it's about to be looking real bad for people that decide to hold for a long time. But if you're not holding, you know what I'm saying, you might as well wait till that thing makes that drop, because this is a real dangerous area right now. Like I say, we got to hit below these EMAs and it's over. But yeah, anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.